OrCAD PCB Productivity Toolbox is an option for OrCAD PCB Editor. This option provides you with a variety of helpful features to increase your PCB layout productivity, and it helps to design specific tasks more efficiently. In this video, we will show you a selection of productivity features like label tune, barcode, polar grid, and post-processing.
Label tune is the tool of choice for managing the location, orientation and size of text in PCB Editor, which is used for reference designators, values, part numbers, device types or tolerances. By selecting the layer and the outline data, you can easily modify the text in your design. For example, rotate, fit and center all reference designators on the top layer, either with a click on each individual text element or by selecting several objects with a window. And if you wish to mirror all text elements to the bottom layer, you can achieve it in the same fast way. It also works for rotated parts, so they become readable in a smart way according to technical drawing standard. Putting information about a part number onto a PCB is made easy with the barcode functionality. Just select one of the barcode types, code 38 or code 128, and type in the information. The barcode is calculated on the fly and you see a preview of its size. So you can easily see where you want to place it. Changes of the parameters update the preview size. If you want to refer to an installation manual, you can enter the URL or use the QR code for up to 4000 characters of information or apply several ECC levels. A polar grid can be defined by means of the polar settings. It might be a partial or a full circle and can contain a fine or a coarse grid with custom settings for radial and angular spacing. When you place parts, they snap onto the grid. You can choose if they align with the long or with the short side as radial orientation. If you route tracks, they snap to the polar grid. The routing follows the circular grid lines. And on the radial grid lines, you may choose by option if you want to connect straight or with rounded corners. During the interactive routing, you can change the layers like in PCB Editor. Snapping on polar grid is also enabled to work when designing shapes. In post-process, you can define a list of tasks you want to perform while generating your manufacturing output. You can enable and disable some tasks or delete them completely from the list and add new ones. When you made your output configuration for one PCB manufacturer, you may save the settings and create a slightly different one for the second manufacturer or the PCB assembly. All configurations can be reloaded, and by pressing the Run button, all tasks will be performed with your specific settings and create the output always in the same consistent way.
The OrCAD Productivity Toolbox contains many more features which are not described in this video. For more details, please visit orcad.com or contact your local OrCAD channel partner.